Mastering Rust HashMap and Hashist. Explore Rust's HashMap and Hashist for efficient data management. Create a new HashMap using HashMap. New and populate it by inserting key value pairs. This allows you to manage collections of data efficiently. Add or update entries in a HashMap using the insert method. The Entry API provides additional flexibility for managing updates to existing keys. Access values in a HashMap using the get method or indexing patterns. Ensure efficient key existence checks to optimize data retrieval. Iterate over a HashMap to access keys, values, or key value pairs using iterators. This helps in managing and processing data collections effectively. In Rust, keys and values in a HashMap either moved or borrowed, following ownership rules. This ensures safe and efficient data handling. To use a type as a key in a HashMap, it must implement the eq and hash traits. This requirement ensures efficient lookups and compatibility with the HashMap structure. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.